Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing an extreme cabinet declutter and cleaning out. I am taking everything out of my kitchen cabinets, wiping them down, vacuuming, reorganizing, and making some piles to take to donation. It's one of those tasks that I dread doing, but it feels so good once it's done and you feel like you have cleaned out so much extra random stuff that you don't need to hang on to anymore. So I hope it motivates you to do the same. Let's go ahead and get started.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. breathless in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you. Na 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 na. Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you.
I didn't show this cabinet because I had already organized it after Christmas when I got a new set of dishes. So there was just a little clip of how it currently looks, all nice and clean. Now I'm moving on to the bottom cabinets and vacuuming and organizing. I don't know why we have so many bowls and cups and random crap, but this is exactly why this video needed to be done. So I hope it motivates you to go clean out some of your clutter and get rid of some of the stuff that you don't need.
rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
Moving on, under the kitchen sink, I grabbed this 3-pack of stackable plastic bins from Big Lots. I needed something kind of small to put just random little things in, like my sponges and my cleaning rags, instead of having them all on the ground. And that way I could keep that space strictly for cleaners. So I'm just stacking those up here and I'm going to fill them up. I also have 2 baskets that go on each of the cabinet doors. I've had these forever. You could probably find something similar on Amazon, but they're really nice for like packs of wipes. And on the one on the left side, I'm gonna add my roll of trash bags. It fits a roll perfectly sideways, so you can just grab one right out of there. And I love that, so. All right, you guys, that wraps up my kitchen cabinet declutter. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it motivated you to go clean out some of those cabinets. I know it's such a pain of a task, but it really feels good once you get it done. It's something I've been putting off for a while, so I'm glad to have that knocked off my to-do list. I'm just finishing up with some dishes and cleaning the sink. If you guys enjoyed watching, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you can keep up with all of my content, and I will catch you guys in the next one.